Hello and good morning to your first day of Odysseyware learning in third grade. There are going to be a few challenges and a few hiccups along the way, and that's okay. Today is all about learning how to get on Odysseyware, making sure that you are seeing where your assignments are, and trying your very best to make sure that these get completed. We'll get the hang of this in no time. Welcome to day one. We're also going to be starting day one of your daily Zoom meetings with me or Mrs. McKeeby, depending on if you're at East or West. These Zoom meetings are according to what your team color is, it will be at that time. For instance, if you're part of the green group, you will meet every day with your teacher at 9:45. All right, let's get started on our assignments for the day. Again, today's Tuesday, September 8th. Your main curriculum from here on out will be using Odysseyware. Odysseyware is this icon right here on your Clever page. I will be posting which assignments are due that day at Odysseyware. It says in math, we have patterns, digits, and numbers words, and place value. In language, we have complete sentences and capitalization. In science, we have your body breathes air. And in social studies, we have map skills. These are the only assignments you should be doing today. And every day, you should only be doing assignments that have today as the due date. You should not be doing assignments for days that are not today. Please do not work ahead in Odysseyware and attempt to do projects or things that are due any kind of assignment that are due in the future. Only do what is due today. Thank you. So, I will be putting every day on our Clever and our Google Classroom, as you can see here, which assignments are due today. However, in Odysseyware, you will also be able to tell which assignments are due today. The other thing you need to do today is make sure that you get on your daily Zoom meeting with me. I will be in Zoom meetings or helping out with lunch and recess from the hours of 9:45 to 2 p.m. Those hours, it may be difficult to contact me if you have questions. So you can save your questions until your Zoom meeting and ask me during that, or email me and I will get back to you from these hours of 8:30 to 9:45 in the morning or 2 p.m. to 3:35 in the morning when I will not be on Zoom calls and I will be answering your questions. You will also be turning in your question of the day, just like every other day, using your email. Today's question of the day is, what is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day, like today? My favorite thing to do on a rainy day is read a book. Okay, remember, we've been practicing using some of these other apps for reading and other assignments throughout the last 2 weeks. These are now optional assignments. They will not go into your grade, but they are things that you can do if you would like to work on something extra outside of your Odysseyware activities. Odysseyware will continue to be your main source of learning a curriculum that I will be grading and giving scores on. I'm going to show you again what that would look like. Once you click the Odysseyware button, you will go to the Odysseyware site and click the Learn tab. Here you will see all assignments and when they are due. You can see the assignments that I have posted on the Clever page and the Google Classroom page, such as patterns, digits, and number words. If there's something that's not showing up on the Odysseyware site that I have on my assignments for Clever, that's okay. Remember you can only do the assignments that are due today, 9/8/2020. That means if you see an assignment like experiment taking your pulse, which is due on 9/23/2020, you should not do that assignment today. In fact, you should not do that assignment until 9/23/2020 when it is due. Please only do assignments that are due today. Students that are working ahead will not have the correct scores and outcomes that they will need. You need to make sure that you only do the assignments that are due today. or assignments that I have posted here on your Clever page. Students, I hope this was as helpful as possible. I'm sure I will have many questions about OdysseyWare and about Zoom. Remember, for Zoom, all you will need to do is click your Zoom room. If you're at East, you will click My Zoom Room here. If you are at West, you will click Mrs. McKeevy's Zoom Room here at the time of your daily meeting. You can email me or Mrs. McKeevy with questions. And remember to save some questions because we will be answering them during your Zoom meetings each day. I hope you have a tremendous first day of OdysseyWare learning and first day of this school week. Have a great one.